Hi everyone, I am going to show you guys how I wash fleece. This is kind of like a pressure washing technique, I guess you could call it. I soak my fleece overnight, and the next day, anything that didn't come out in the soak that's trapped in the locks and whatnot, I kind of do like a pressure washer on it. It takes me about 20-30 minutes, depending on how much fleece I have and how dirty it still is. But I just want to show you guys. You can see this is still pretty dirty. It's soaked overnight, but still got a lot of stuff in it. The bigger stuff I pull out after it's dry. I don't mess with it when it's wet because it's just a pain and makes a big mess. So I wait till it's dry to pull the bigger stuff out. But the little stuff like the sand and dirt and whatnot that's trapped in the lock, this is what I do. So as you can see, I'm outside. Don't do this in your house. And if you have a attachment you can use for your hose, but I like to use my thumb because I can control the pressure. I don't like, I don't want to blast my fleece through the screen. So here we go. Alright, and there you have it. That is a pressure wash fleece. You won't have matting. I would not suggest doing this with wool. This is mohair. If you do it with wool, you'll probably felt the crap out of it, so don't do it with wool. But mohair, this is definitely an effective way to clean them out in a quick way without losing your mind. So that's it. Thanks for watching.